Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are checking out this channel for the very first time and you're interested in becoming a model, you definitely want to consider subscribing because I make awesome videos on a weekly basis that you guys are gonna love. So as you guys can see, I've moved to a new space. A couple of weeks ago, I took you guys on an apartment hunt in Los Angeles. Hi, I'm calling about a two-bedroom apartment. One bath that I saw available is posted right in front of the building. And that was a very excruciating process of trying to find something that was ideal and also making sure that you're getting value for what you're paying for. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description box. Go check that out if you're interested in moving to LA. So let's get into this video. So in this video, I wanna give you guys some best tips and best practices on how to prepare for a photo shoot. So that way, when you guys show up on set, you're well prepared and you're ready to go. Okay guys, so when you're doing the photo shoots, one of the very first things that is gonna get noticed by the makeup artist, by the photographer, by anyone on set is your skin. So you wanna make sure that your skin is in tip-top shape before you show up to the photo shoots. I don't know about you guys, but it feels like whenever I have a shoot, I just somehow happen to get that one pimple that just shows up a day before the shoot. So I don't know if you guys have ever experienced that before, but I'm gonna give you guys some tips on how to prevent that from happening. Number one, the very first thing I'll say is to drink a gallon of water. Now you don't wanna drink a gallon of water every day because obviously that's kind of like a little bit excessive. You wanna do this maybe 3 days before the shoot. So 3 days before the shoots, try to get a gallon of water in a day. If you don't get a gallon, that's okay. Just try to drink as much water as possible. Because drinking water is gonna help clear out your skin, it's gonna hydrate your skin as well. Not only that, the benefits of drinking water is numerous, but one of the top things about drinking water for models is that it also de-bloats you. So if you're feeling bloated, maybe you've been eating salty diets the past few days, drinking water is a good way to get rid of that excess water weight in your body. The next thing you want to do to be prepared and look your best for the photo shoots is to do a 3-step face wash. Now, obviously, I hope everyone is washing their face on a daily basis, but you want to wash your face maybe twice a day at least, in the morning and just before bedtime. So now if you're not familiar with a 3-step face wash, that usually consists of some kind of cleanser to obviously wash your face. Then you have a toner, which removes the excess dirt from your pores and also helps reduce the size of your pores and even out your skin. And then you usually have some kind of SPF lotion or some kind of hydrating balm or 9-time serum or something like that. So this is your 3-step face wash that you guys should do at least a week before the shoot. So make sure you're doing this at least twice a day if possible. Make sure you do this twice a day, a week in advance before your shoots. And this will help make your skin look vibrant and just glowing. Another thing you want to make sure you're doing before your big photo shoot is exercise. So making sure you're exercising. I like to exercise a week, like 5 days straight before the shoots. Make sure you exercise, tone those muscles, sweat out those toxins from your pores. This will help you look great and feel good for your photo shoots and also shed some excess pounds just before the shoot. Another trick that a lot of models do just before the photo shoots is that they take dandelion roots or a supplement called Water X. And Water X is basically a potassium supplement that helps you regulate the water retention in your body. So I'm going to leave links to those in the description box. Now, dandelion roots also does the same and helps you manage the water retention in your body as well. So this way you're not looking bloated on set and your cheekbones are popping, your muscles are more toned and defined, your abs are flat and chiseled. So this is a trick not a lot of people know about, but it's very effective in terms of making sure that you're not bloated on the day of your shoot. Another trick, and this is a no-brainer, is to eat clean. Models should eat clean at least 9 meals out of 10. Making sure you're getting your green leafy vegetables, eating a well-balanced diet. This would also show up on your skin. It would show up on your overall radiance and appearance. So check this, if you eat mostly junk food, that's going to inhibit your absorption of nutrients. Not only that, it's also going to throw off your metabolism. So it's going to be harder for you to lose weight or to get the right body sculpture that you're looking for. One of the biggest causes of acne outside of hormones is, your diet. So making sure you eat clean, this is very important for the health of your skin. Now, the best thing you can do for yourself just before your photo shoots is to sleep. Sleep. Make sure you're getting adequate sleep at least 3 days before your photo shoots. If you're not getting adequate sleep, it's gonna show up. You're gonna look tired, your eyes are gonna look dead and dull. So making sure you're getting enough adequate sleep taking your vitamins as well. This will help you guys look sharp. You're not gonna have those nasty bags under your eyes. Another tip is to stretch. Try to stretch at least 3 days before your photo shoots. Stretching is going to loosen your muscles, and it's also going to give you some creative ideas for different poses that you guys can do. So that way, when you show up on sets, you're not stiff. Another idea is to look in magazines for creative shoots and for poses. Take pictures, save your favorite poses, keep them in mind, practice them in front of a mirror. I've seen people put together a Pinterest board for poses, so this is also a good idea. You can just go on Pinterest and search for poses, and then just save some of the ones that you like and you feel that you can use on your photo shoots. So guys, so these are some very important tips on how to prepare for a photo shoot, so that way when you guys show up on set, you know exactly what you're doing, you look great, you feel good, and you're on top of your game. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment box down below. If you like this video, if you learned anything new, I appreciate a thumbs up. If you like my new sets, appreciate a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to sub. I'll see you guys in my next one.